Remember that every successful person started somewhere. They faced obstacles and setbacks, but they didn't give up. They persevered through the challenges, learned from their mistakes, and kept moving forward. You can do the same. Don't be afraid to take risks or to try something new. Embrace failure as a valuable learning opportunity, and keep pushing yourself to grow and improve. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and never let anyone else's doubts or negativity hold you back. You are capable of achieving greatness, and I can't wait to see all that you'll accomplish. So go out there, work hard, and make your dreams a reality. So, let's get started with our video. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 apps that can help you make money online without any investment, website, followers, and absolutely free. These apps are perfect for those who want to earn some extra cash without having to spend a dime. In this video, we'll walk you through each app and how it works, so you can choose the right one for you. App number 1, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a rewards app that pays you for completing online surveys, watching videos, and browsing the web. You can earn Swagbucks, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash, by doing these simple tasks. The app has over 10 million users and has paid out over $500 million in rewards. With Swagbucks, you can earn up to $50 a month, just by using the app. To get started with Swagbucks, all you need to do is sign up for an account and start completing tasks. You can earn up to 300 Swagbucks for completing a survey, and up to 10 Swagbucks for watching a video. Once you've earned enough Swagbucks, you can redeem them for gift cards or cash. Swagbucks also offers a referral program, which allows you to earn even more Swagbucks by referring friends and family. App number 2, Foap. Foap is a stock photo app that pays you for your photos. You can upload your photos to the app, and if someone buys your photo, you earn money. Foap pays $5 for every photo sold, and you can sell the same photo multiple times. The app is free to use, and you can upload as many photos as you want. To get started with Foap, all you need to do is sign up for an account and start uploading your photos. The app has a wide range of categories, so you can upload photos of anything from food to landscapes to people. Once your photo is sold, Foap takes a small commission and pays you the rest. Foap also offers photo missions, which allow you to earn even more money by submitting photos to specific challenges. App number 3, TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a task-based app that pays you for completing tasks for others. The tasks can range from cleaning to grocery shopping to dog walking. You can set your own rates and choose the tasks you want to do. TaskRabbit takes a percentage of your earnings, but you can earn up to $50 per task. To get started with TaskRabbit, all you need to do is sign up for an account and start browsing tasks in your area. You can set your own rates and choose the tasks that you want to do. Once you've completed a task, TaskRabbit takes a small commission and pays you the rest. TaskRabbit also offers a referral program, which allows you to earn even more money by referring friends and family. App number 4, Poshmark. Poshmark is a fashion app that allows you to sell your gently used clothing, shoes, and accessories. You can set your own prices and earn up to 80% of the sale. The app is free to use, and you can sell as many items as you want. Poshmark takes a percentage of your earnings, but you can earn up to $500 per month. To get started with Poshmark, all you need to do is sign up for an account and start listing your items. You can take photos of your items, write descriptions, and set your own prices. Once your item is sold, Poshmark takes a small commission and pays you the rest. Poshmark also offers a feature called Posh Parties, which allows you to sell your items to a targeted audience. You can also follow other sellers and buyers, and even share their listings to your followers to increase your visibility. App number 5, Dosh. Dosh is a cashback app that pays you for shopping at participating retailers. You can earn up to 10% cashback on your purchases, which is deposited directly into your Dosh wallet. The app is free to use, and you can link your credit or debit cards to automatically earn cashback. To get started with Dosh, all you need to do is sign up for an account and link your credit or debit cards. You can then browse the participating retailers and make purchases as usual. Your cashback will be automatically deposited into your Dosh wallet, and you can transfer it to your bank account or PayPal. Dosh also offers a referral program, which allows you to earn even more cashback by referring friends and family. So, there you have it, the top 5 apps to make money online with no investment, website, followers, and absolutely free. These apps are perfect for anyone who wants to earn some extra cash, without having to spend a dime. Whether you want to complete surveys, sell your photos, complete tasks for others, sell your gently used clothing, or earn cash back on your purchases, these apps have something for everyone. So, download these apps today and start earning money online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Before we end this video, I would like to give you quick motivation. We possess an immense potential to achieve greatness and make a positive impact on the world. Every individual is unique and has the ability to contribute their own special talents and abilities towards creating a better future for themselves and others. When we embrace our passions and work towards our goals with determination and perseverance, we can accomplish amazing things. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but the destination is always worth the effort. So, believe in yourself and your abilities, and let your inner spark ignite a flame of inspiration that will guide you towards greatness.